Hey YouTube modeling community, welcome back to another video over here. Just got a quick build to show you right now. The MPC Yellow Feather Top Fuel Dragster kit. As far as the kit goes, it's an MPC kit, so I'm sure you can figure out the rest from there. It's got a couple fit issues, and it's got some stuff that you need to adjust a little bit. But overall, for an MPC kit, it was alright. I've had worse ones. Not much to this build. I built this while I was waiting for paint and decals to dry on some of my Finish It February stuff, which I might have an update on later today. But this kit is really simple. Not much to it. A couple parts in here. Nothing too fancy. I did paint the harness just so it looks a little bit better. Got the engine in there. And there's absolutely nothing going on down here. But I'm very happy with how it turned out. I just threw it together while I was waiting for paint to dry, and it looks good, I think. It's a pretty good kit. I'll probably build another one and do it with a custom paint job instead of the one from the box. But yeah, it's nice. I like this. So I'm gonna finish this video up here, and I'll see you in the next one.